Hi, I'm Darlene.
And I'm Marty. So we're going to just talk about everyday life in Puerto Morelos, doing things like getting a haircut,
Going to the dentist.
getting drinking water.
So who wants to come with us on that journey?
I guess so. It sounds like chores, but let's go.
Yeah, it is chores, but woohoo! So if you're staying down here for any length of time, you've got to do your everyday normal things like go to the dentist. So today, Marty's going to the dentist to have his teeth cleaned. Bye, have fun. It's gonna cost about just under $30 Canadian. And it's a real high-tech, nice office. They speak English as well. The office is right around the corner from the Super Chedraui, and this is on the Colonia side. Okay, today's beauty day. I was trying to wait to get a haircut till we got home, but I can't take it anymore. So I'm going to see Angela. She's on Timon and Cangrejo, Calais. And so I've booked with her. I just came here yesterday, booked an appointment for a pedicure with gel polish for 350 pesos and a haircut for 150 pesos for a grand total of 500 pesos or $30 Canadian. I know, right? It's crazy. We'll see what I look like after. I'm sure it'll be great. So I am happy with my hair. I just got a good healthy trim, cut off all that burnt dead stuff. She wanted to give me a makeover, but not ready for that. So thumbs up, I like the hair. Very close to the corner of Zatina Gasca and Avenida Delphine is a medical center. You can come here if you have any medical issues. They have doctors and a nurse here that do speak English. And right attached to it is a pharmacy where you can go and get any prescriptions or medications that you need, antibiotics, anything like that. And right next to the pharmacy is another entrance, and that's where they're doing COVID testing, the antigen test or the PCR test, although I don't know how much longer that's going to be required. The antigen test is $25 US and the PCR test is $90 US. You don't need to book an appointment. You just go in, they do the test, they email the results to you. If you want a printout, you can come back in an hour and they'll give you a physical copy of it as well. We both decided to get new eyeglasses, but we went into Playa del Carmen for a better selection of frames. We went to Salud Visual Opticas. We both got new frames with progressive lenses and Blu-ray coating. Mine also had the transition coating. Including the exam, which they waive if you buy eyeglasses, the cost was 8,000 pesos or $480 Canadian. The doctor spoke English and the glasses were ready in about a week. What a treat to have a relaxing massage on the beach. The price was 450 pesos for 30 minutes. Marty and I both had ours done at the same time. I highly recommend them, and I've decided I'm going once a month because I'm worth it. Purchase a Telcel SIM card or chip for 30 pesos at any Telcel office or OXXO store. This website gives very detailed information on how to go about getting your SIM card and package. There are many packages available. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. You can drop your laundry off or have it picked up and delivered back to you. So the toughest part about laundry day, Marty would say it's carrying it back, but I would say the toughest part is taking it there in the morning and then having to go sit on the beach all day, having a beer, I might get a sunburn, and then going and picking it up. It's a real hardship, but we're willing to do it. So this load of laundry was 71 pesos. So that's like $5 Canadian. Well, worth it. We don't drink the tap water here, so we have these 20-liter containers of water. You can have it delivered to your house for 20 to 40 pesos, or you can go and refill it yourself at the filling station. So if you don't want to pay the extra money to have the water delivered to you, this is what you do. Walk down the street with your empty water jug and you go to the water filling station. Okay, here we are at the water dispenser place.
Yeah, so you put 10 pesos in the coin machine, and first of all you turn it upside down, you rinse it with disinfectant, flip it over, hold the button until it's full, you get 20 liters of water. And it kind of makes you appreciate where your resources come from.
Simple as that. Except now he's got to carry it home. But that's what makes him big and strong. So this is the other cool thing they have here. They have these liquid dispensers, and the price ranges from 10 pesos to 20 pesos a liter. So that's 60 cents Canadian up to $1.20 Canadian per liter. And they have everything from Clorox bleach to a pine cleaner, dishwasher soap, water softener. They use that here. All kinds of different cleaners. So you just put your money in, get your liquid cleaners. You can bring your own container, or many of them just have a little box here of containers that people have brought and left here. So even if you don't have your container, you just come grab one of these containers, fill up, get your cleaning supplies, and you're good to go. If you don't have a car, bicycles are a great way to get around. We rented bicycles from Green Bikes Puerto Morelos for $10 a day. If you rent for a whole week, it drops down to $8 a day. That includes a lock, basket, and lights. They even drop it off and pick it up from your hotel or Airbnb. Excellent service, and I highly recommend them. Here comes the garbage truck. He's alerting everybody that he's nearby. Propane is also available for delivery. Look at these busy guys. We hope this video gave you a better insight on what some of the costs are when you're down for an extended period of time in Puerto Morelos. Please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every single one of you.
Thanks for watching. Mucho gracias.